my name is Chris, and I usually deal with most of the releathering here. And today we are doing what we call a witch's hat, which basically seals a hole but allows for movement at the same time.
This is for pneumatic. This is for pneumatic actions, correct?
This is for a pneumatic draw stop action, which fits on the end of the chest where the pipes are. It's basically just a block with a hole in it, which is sealed by this circular piece of leather. And the reason why it's circular is it's easier to put it down on this when you do it. And the process is we lay it across the block, and we have a small tool here that can be any round piece of timber, but it's a snug fit with the leather in the hole. What we do is we line it over the hole and we push it in like this, and as you can see, the leather starts to wrinkle, and we push it in a little bit further till it's just proud of the block, because this block is a particular thickness and the draw stop action moves a certain distance, and this here is just over half the entire distance, so it will move underneath and above, giving you plenty of room. And what we're doing here now is all these wrinkles, we are now going to start stretching them. And if this was a square piece, you wouldn't really be able to stretch the corners of it. So we keep stretching, and the more you stretch it, the easier the leather will actually go. And as you can see, once you pull it, the wrinkles actually start to come out. So
This thing you have in top inside there, what is that?
this.
Yes, yeah, huh?
It is just a dowel that keeps everything nice and tight. If you didn't have this, it would be very, very difficult to get this a consistent size on every one, and also to make it neat. So we'll just keep stretching slightly, and once it might look very wrinkled, but these wrinkles do come out, which we shall demonstrate. We now bunch the leather up around our tool, and we start the gluing process. And we put a fair bit of glue on so that the leather will actually move over the glue before it dries.
Is this any kind of special glue you're using?
No, it's
not Elmer's glue, right?
no, it's not Elmer's glue. It's a PVC adhesive. Normally hot glue is used in the process, but because of some difficulties, this glue is better for doing this. Now we put the glue down and we start to pull the leather around, and as you can see, the benefits of pre-stretching it, we have and then the final process is to pop the tool out and press it down, and that is the glued up.
Do you trim around the?
Yes, what we do is we trim them, and the final process is to put a small hole in the middle of that with this punch.
Okay.
This allows the shaft that is attached to the various parts to come through, and then there is a nut and a washer on both sides to keep that against it. And what happens is it moves backwards and forwards like that. But in actual operation, it doesn't come further than about there on it. But you have literally 2.5 times the movement you require.
Okay. That's it.
That's it.